Hello students, it is the page number 5 in your textbook. A reading, unit 1, lesson, attitude is altitude. Fifth video, it is a fifth video. Start. I realize why God had made us like this. Us is refer to all disabled person. To give hope to others. It was so inspirational to me that I decided to use my life to encourage other people and give them the courage that article had given me. After reading article in a newspaper, what was the article? A disabled man achieved a lot, a great things in his life, and he giving hopes to other. After reading that article, Nick realized that he understood why God had made him this way. He felt that it was the responsibility to give hope to others, and so he decided to use his life to encourage other people positively. Okay, and after that, I decided to be thankful for what I do have, not to angry about what I don't. After that, his way of thinking become positive. Before that, he was negative because he attempted to kill himself many times, but now he became positive after reading that article, and he decided कि he would be thankful to God what he has given me, and not angry for that what I don't have, means limb, because he was sometime felt cold and bitter and hate the God because of making disabled person. I look at myself in the mirror and said, you know what, the world is right that I have no arms and leg, but I'll never take away the beauty of my eyes. I wanted to concentrate on something good that I had. What I had? Eyes. Nick told. After that, after seeing mirror, he told कि yes, what the all people telling about me? What telling? I have no arms and leg, but they will never take away the beauty of my eyes, means God has given me eyes, and eyes is indicate for brightness. If you have not eyes, then full world is blind for you. You can't see brightness, but eyes means you can see the beautiful things, and see means you can think. And after that, he decided to concentrate only what he had for his eyes. Now next, the challenges in our lives are there to strengthen our convictions. Conviction means belief. The challenges means difficulties. What the problem in coming in our life? It is giving us strength and make our belief more strong. How? When any difficulty in coming anyone life, he could able to handle that. If he overwin the difficulty, then he get strength, and his belief is increased to overtake any problem is or solve any problem is in his life. But if he will not, then he is not able to do. He always fear. Now they are not there to run us over, means we should not allow these challenges, difficulty to overcome us. Overcome means we should not afraid of that. We should tackle. We should not get rid of these challenges and difficulty. If we will afraid, then always these difficulty we have to face in life, and we will not overcome, and that we will afraid. And our belief is we are not positive thinking, we will be not very strong. But if we have one time we tackle and know how to tackle the challenges, then our belief and our strength will increase. We will not fear, and we will become confident to handle any problem in our life, said Nick. In 1990, Nick won the Australian Young Citizen of the Year award for his bravery and perseverance. What is a perseverance? Perseverance is a quality of continuing to try to achieve a particular aim despite of difficulty. Nick don't have limb. After that, he did not leave his hope, and he continued to make him independent. 1990, Nick won the Australian Young Citizen Award. Like our country, so many awards is there. Padma Vibhushan, Padma Shri. Like this award in Australian Young Citizenship, one award name is there, and it is giving for bravery, and the person who is overcome, who is continue disability and problem is there, and then also he is continue to achieve his goal and get success to his aim. Okay, thank you.